Here's a bit of a rare sight to see. My 1963 Rambler American waxed and looking clean. I just thought I'd do a quick tour, show you around. Usually I'm driving in rain and snow and I don't have a lot of time to clean her. I finally did a bit of a clean yesterday, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Some wax as well. I even cleaned up the tires a little bit. Yeah, I gotta repair that side. I ran into a fence that was sticking on the ground. Inside it's not the best. It is a workman's vehicle after all. I'm usually full of grease and dirt. I am the Prince of Grease after all. Fortunately, I don't have a proper headliner. The dasher turned out really nice. Even the knob, nice and shiny. Nice vintage engine conditioner can that I found. Can't throw that away. Seats are pretty nice, in excellent shape. There it is. Rambler American used to be a poor man's vehicle.